Hi everyone, this is Vivek. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make WebView app in Flutter. So here I have basic Flutter app just created using Flutter create command. So first of all, let's see quickly what we are going to build. Okay, so here is an app named rental banner. So if you open this, there is a splash screen, and here you can see a full website up and running here, and it is completely functional. You can search for product, you can choose the location, you can choose the city and search. If you search, then you can see the search results here, and here we have different options to navigate in the bottom navigation bar. For example, pricing page, search page, contact page. So I'm going to show you how you can make exact same website in Flutter. So first of all, let's make a new screens folder. Okay, and here inside this screens folder we will make a new page called home screen, a new file. Okay, home screen dot. So in this tutorial we are not going to use any state management solution, so we are going to handle state by using setState function. So our home page is going to be a stateful widget. So first of all, let's import the material package. Import, and then let's create a stateful widget, and let's give it a name, home page, or we have named the file as home screen, so let's go with the home screen. And in the return, let's return a scaffold, app bar, title, and let's give it a app name. So for us it is rental banner, so let's give it a name, rental banner, and let's change its color to white. Okay, so we are going to use the style property of text, and inside this style property we are going to use text style widget, and here we can provide color, and let's go with colors.indigo, and we will make other change if required. Okay, and let's leave body empty as of now, and here in the bottom you can see the bottom navigation bar, so let's try to build that. Okay, so in the bottom navigation bar we are going to use the bottom navigation bar widget, and in the items section we have to provide a list of items. Okay, sorry, list of bottom navigation bar item, bottom navigation bar item. So let's go with the home icon. Okay, icon, and inside this we are going to use icons dot home, and we will have some more icons, or the bottom navigation bar must have at least 2 items. Okay, otherwise there is no point of having bottom navigation bar. So let me paste it 4 times, and for others it is icons dot price. Okay, so ignore the icon here. Okay, so you can use any widget, like you can use asset images. Okay, so icon is not matter of concern in this video. In this video we are focusing on how to implement WebView, and now we are setting up the basic interface, and second one is, third one is search, and fourth one is contact. Okay, let's go with contact mail. Okay, now let's collect the links. Okay, for each pages. So this is a pricing page, this is search page, this is contact page. and let's build this app. Before that, let me change the home of this app to home screen that we have just created. Okay, so as soon as the app is built, we will be landed on the home screen. So let's run the app. Now open your browser and I'll show you uh, the website. Okay, this is rentalbanner.com, and we can copy the link of respective pages. Okay, so here is a home page. So let me make a list above right here, and we listed it above. Okay, list of string URLs is equals to, and let me simply paste the links, and another one is pricing page. So let me copy this. So next one is, let's go to contact, and let's copy this. And let's go to the source page. I think this is a source page. Okay, source rental. Let's copy this. Now to implement WebView in our app, we are going to use WebView Flutter widget. Okay, sorry, WebView Flutter package, and it have its own widget that we will see later in the video. So for this, just go to pop.dev and search for WebView Flutter. So I already went through the package. So here you can see WebView Flutter. Just click on this package, and in the readme section you can see how we can use this WebView Flutter package in our app. Okay, so first of all we have to instantiate our WebView controller. So here it have created a controller variable having this WebView controller, and different properties are assigned like set JavaScript mode and set navigation delegate. Okay, and at the end you can see we have to load the URL. Okay, or to load the request we have to provide a URI, and we can simply use our WebView widget and pass the controller. Okay, so there is not much code, and we must have minimum SDK version of 19, and if it is I think it by default we have SDK version 19, so I don't think we need to make change. If it is not, then we will make it later. Okay, and I think this much code will do the work. Okay, so let's give it a try. So for this, first of all, let's add this package in our project. For that, go to installing and click or copy this command and paste it in the terminal. Okay, and here we stumbled upon on an exception, and we'll see. So before that, just paste the command and hit enter. Okay, and here it is saying that assertion error, and here is a package or the widget file, okay, that is bottom navigation bar dot dart, and items dot every bottom navigation bar item must have a label, okay, like the value of label must not be null, okay, but in our case we haven't provided any label, so it is null and we got this exception. So what we can do is we can simply add label and we will be good to go. So in the bottom navigation bar, after this icon, just provide label as a string, okay, home, price, search, and contact. So let's restart the app again and let's see either it run now or not. So here you can see there is a bottom navigation bar but the icons are not visible, so let's change the color. Colors dot black, and change the color of this label also, okay, so we can change it by modifying the property label style, so I will show it later. Let me just copy this code and paste it everywhere. Okay, there you can see 4 icons, and let's change the label style, okay, so in the bottom navigation bar property there is something like label text style. Here you can see selected label style and unselected label style. So for selected label style we can provide text style, so we can use a indigo color, okay, colors dot indigo, and for unselected we will go with black color, okay, colors dot black. Still we are not seeing the label, so to make sure that label are shown each and every time, we can use the different type of navigation, bottom navigation bar, okay, like if you hover in bottom navigation bar, you can see the option for bottom navigation bar type, and in the bottom navigation bar type you have to use bottom navigation bar of type fixed, okay, so its property name is type only, okay, type only, and you have to provide bottom navigation bar type dot fixed. So I guess we can see the labels now, and here you can see labels are visible. And now to make selected label style and unselected label style working, we have to provide some values, like we have to provide current index, so let it be 0 as of now, and here you can modify the selected item color also, okay, so let's go with colors dot indigo. Okay, I will create a variable above to store the current index detail. Okay, so integer current index is equals to 0, and we'll assign this value. Okay, so here you can provide current index, and upon clicking on each item we will change the value of current index. Okay, or this value will be updated and we can see the changes here. So let's make a function named on click. Okay, on item click. So if someone click on the icon, then we are going to do this. Okay, we are going to use a set state function, and okay, this must have a integer value. Okay, int index, and we will update the current index to the index or to the position in which bottom navigation bar item is clicked. Okay, so set state current index is equals to index, and the bottom navigation bar have on tap functionality, and this will provide index, and we will call that function. Okay, on item click, and we will provide this index, and let's restart the app again. And to reflect it is working, we have to make our body, that is the actual aim of our video, to display the web view in our app. So let's do this quickly. Okay, and if you want to verify everything is working, then you can click on any of this icon, and whenever you click on source icon, its color is changed. Okay, text color is changed, so we can ensure that it is working. Now let's work on the body part. Okay, so for that we have to stop the app. So you may be wondering why. Okay, because we have just edited that package few minutes earlier, and we haven't built that package yet. So if you see in the build folder, there is no folder for WebView Flutter. Okay, so let's stop the app, and now let's run the app. Okay, and we will see how we can integrate it. Okay, so open your browser, and here in the same page go back to readme section, and let's just copy this. Okay, so I will just copy this, and let's edit here in the app. Okay, so you can see the error. So let's import the library, and all the error will be gone. Okay, and here we can provide, so its type is WebView controller. Okay, we have to provide the type WebView controller, okay. Now what we have to do is we have to change the value of this load request. Okay, so instead of this we'll create a new variable named current URL. Okay, string current URL, and for the current URL by default it will be home page, so we can provide URLs 0. Okay, so The instance member URLs cannot be accessed in an initializer. Okay, so we can directly provide this link. Okay, now if somebody click on any bottom navigation bar item, then we have to change current index, okay, or current URL. So let's try to change current URL is equals to so where if a person tap on second item, then we have to show the pricing and it is equals to the this index value. Okay, so we can use or like we can directly use this URLs variable here, I guess. So let's check it. If we can use, it's fine. Okay, now here we can use. So simply what we just did is the current URL is going to be URLs and of which index it is clicked. Okay, so if somebody click on the last item, then this URL will be loaded in the controller. Okay, let's initialize this controller in the init state so that the first URL will be loaded as soon as the app is started. So let me just copy this and I will mark it this slate so that we can use this in the init state. Okay, let WebView controller and let's give it a name controller, and inside the init state we are going to paste the code. Okay, and here you can see we have a default website is flutter.dev, and instead of this we can use the current URL. Okay, current URL, and now we have to change the value of this like current URL as soon as user click on other icons. Okay, so let's see how we can do that. So instead of changing this value only, we can change the whole this request. Okay, so go back to our on item click function, and here we can do something like controller dot load request, and we can provide URL. So we have to provide URI instead of URL, so we have to pass the URL into URI. Okay, so here we can pass current URL. Okay, so we can get rid from this current URL, I guess. Like for example, here we can directly use, instead of this current URL, URLs 0, and here we can use URLs index. So this is unnecessary line. Now we have to make a WebView widget in the body and pass the controller that we have created. Okay, so inside body we will make WebView widget and pass the controller. Okay, and it is controller, and it came by default. Okay, so let's restart the app. and here you can see the app is loaded, and now we can navigate inside the app. So if you click on the drawer and click on about, and you are navigated to the about page. And if you click on pricing, and you will be navigated to the pricing page. And here you can see. So let's check the functionality of our bottom navigation bar. So let me click on search page. Okay, let's check the URL structure that we have provided. For search page, we have added the context, so it is displaying, so we can replace the position of each other. Okay, now it must work. So let's give a final try, and our app will be ready. Okay, we forgot to add one comma here, and we are getting that issue. So let's restart the app, and it must work now. So let's click on price, and you can see the pricing page. Let's click on search. You are on search page, and let's click on contact. You are on contact page. So guys, we have finally completed the development of WebView app in Flutter. So if this video have helped you, please subscribe to our channel, and if you have any problems while following the steps on here, please don't hesitate to comment below. Thank you for watching.